Automatic conversions may seem confusing at first, but an easy way to predict the result of an operation is to look at the context in which the conversion is being performed. When non-string values are used in a string context involving the plus operator, they are automatically converted to strings. For example, let string is the value is plus 123. 123 is converted to string. The value is plus true, and true is converted to string, true, and concatenated. The value is plus null. Here, null is again converted to a string, null. And here is another example. String is string 3 plus string 10. And the result is 310. This may seem nonsensical at first, but JavaScript ensures that the operation will work. Since there is no guarantee that provided strings are valid numbers, it is safer to perform string concatenation. The alternative would be to return not a number if the provided strings happened not to be valid numbers.